Alright, so that's installing. This is a CPU fan install. This is part 2. See if this corrects this issue. Have to move over some screws. That's fine. So easy way to tell which one is good and which one is bad. That's for darn sure. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel. I'm gonna use a tiny screwdriver, tiny little screws. Bearings don't need to exist, just soak them with alcohol, right? Isn't that the mantra here? One, 2, 3, 4, and then we need to get these screws out of here. Just 1, 2. This plugs in right over here. Lift that just ever so slightly so that it lines itself up. And we are ready to reattach go. My only question is where are the screws for this computer? I think this is the one where the front screws were completely missing, if I remember right. Let's see if we have 2 screws for the front of this, and then we'll turn it on, and then we'll get that out of here. Let's see if we got baby screws for this. Let's see if this one will be the correct size. It is too big. Long screws always go in the short hole master. Don't you know how to work on computers? Let's turn it on and see if we get a fan failure message. Fan's definitely spinning. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.